It's a modified Chevrolet with a big 24 on the side.
Out of the way, fancy boy. I'm a commandeering this here clown car. After him, boys! Shotgun! Flag and ragtag sidekick!
Slow down, will ya? I'm waddling here.
Come back, you darn idiot, you loots!
There's got to be 314 hotels and 142 casinos in Las Vegas. We are never going to find that duck.
Dad never misses a cue. What's up, Duck? She's stuck with me.
Excuse me.
You,
You, him, her, them.
Out of my way! Damn it!
you are in big trouble, mister.
What are you doing? Kidnapping me? Stop the car!
This is my adventure, Father. Coming through.
So, what brings you to Las Vegas? You ran out of people on fire in L.A.?
You stole my duck.
Your duck. Bah, I belong to the world.
You know what? You can have him.
Dynamite? Dynamite!
Welcome to my world.
Hang on!
Throw it out the window! Throw it out! Throw it out! But innocent people could be hurt. Throw it out the window!
It'll send the wrong message to children.
Didn't he used to be behind us?
We're having duck tonight, boys!
Just a suggestion, but all those in favor of not hitting that wall, stay on. Mother.
Taking you to mother.
Oh, look, a shooting star. Quick, everybody make a wish. You know, I'm beginning to think that this one is the spy car.